This video is brought to you by us, MrBlueHut.com, a one-stop platform for all your construction, renovation and interior needs. Hi, welcome to another Mr. Blue Hut video. On December 29, 1972, Lawrence presented a tale in 139th meeting of American Association for the Advancement of Science, held in Washington, D.C., entitled Predictability. Does the flap of a butterfly wings in Brazil set a tornado in Texas? It isn't meant to imply that this could actually happen. Just a small event like this, at a right time and at a right place, could in theory trigger a set of events that will ultimately culminate in formation of a hurricane on the other side of the world. While it sounds a little ridiculous as a concept, it is not meant to be taken literally. The butterfly effect metaphor is simply meant to demonstrate that little insignificant events can lead to a significant results over time. The butterfly effect sounds beautiful, and it is beautiful because it has many implications. You can think of many more areas than just weather. You can think about anything. What would have happened if Hitler crossed the road one time with paying too little attention? If the meteor 65 million years ago just missed our Earth, if the Big Bang was just few degrees colder, these things drastically alter our future. Understanding the butterfly effect can give us a new lens through which to view businesses, markets and more. We live in an interconnected or rather a hyper-connected society. Organizations and markets behave like the networks. This triggers chaotic rather than a linear behavior. There are few historic examples of butterfly effect, like the bombing of Nagasaki. The US initially intended to bomb the Japanese city of Kuroko with the munitions factory as a target. On the day US planned to attack, cloudy weather conditions prevented the factory from being seen by military personnel as they flew overhead. The aeroplane passed over the city 3 times before the pilots gave up. Locals, huddled in shelters, heard the hum of the aeroplane preparing to drop the nuclear bomb as they prepared for their destruction. But Kuroko was never bombed. Military personnel decided on Nagasaki as a target due to improved visibility. The implications of that split, the second decision was monumental. We cannot even begin to comprehend how different history might have been if that day had not been cloudy. Kuroko is sometimes referred to as the luckiest city in Japan, as those who lived there during the war are still shaken by the near miss. It is surprising to know how one person saved the world. We all may owe our lives to a single Russian Navy officer named Vasily Arkhipov, who has been called the man who saved the world. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, Arkhipov was stationed on a nuclear-armed submarine near Cuba. American aircrafts and ships began using depth changes to signal the submarine that it should surface so it could be identified. With the submarine submerged too deep to monitor radio signals, the crew had no idea what was going on in the world above. The captain, Savitsky, decided the signal meant that the war has been broken out, and he prepared to launch the nuclear torpedo. Everyone agreed with him, except Arkhipov. Had the torpedo launched, nuclear clouds would have hit Moscow, London, East Anglia and Germany, before wiping out half of the British population. The rest could have been a worldwide nuclear holocaust as the countries retaliated and conflict spread. Without the courage of one man, our world could be unimaginably different. There are some other good tiny things that had huge consequences. But here is my favorite one. A alert clerk, a bubble popped, and the World War II. Charles Hattery was a businessman and company promoter of the Hattery Group, a man who caught the media attention as the one becoming richer with 3 consecutive bankruptcies until one day. In the year 1929, Hattery Group had a liabilities of 19 million euros and assets of 4 million euros, thus facing the bankruptcy again. So Charles Hattery decides to raise the money by issuing stocks, what were fraudulent, which means the same certificates have been printed twice and given as security to different lending banks. Things were going smooth until one day. An alert clerk caught the discrepancy and the fraud came out into the open. Now no banks were willing to lend him. Hooray, bankruptcy again. Hattery Group files for bankruptcy. A stone was now dropped into the financial seas. This initiated the London Stock Exchange crash. Ripples began spreading. The economic bubble ballooning in the Wall Street was popped by the transatlantic ripple. This ripple now turned into a tsunami, the Great Depression. Now, what has that got to do with World War II? Before the Great Depression hit, the German economy was improving, reparations were being paid, and unemployment was decreasing. You see, Hitler during the 1920s was a nobody politician. His promises, although grand, didn't need him, as the present government was doing more than just fine, until the Great Depression of 1929 hit. Then the economy was rolling downhill. Unemployment was on the rise. Government was unable to provide social security. And to the top, it was the France annexation of Saar. All of the sudden, people wanted Hitler and his grand promises. Hitler, you see, was a ray of hope to a nation in darkness. Hitler's popularity went through the roof. From just 2.6% share of vote obtained by Nazi party before the Great Depression to obtaining 43.9% vote share after it. In 2 years, he becomes the Chancellor of Germany. Add one more year and you get the Führer of Germany, Adolf Hitler. The rest, yes you know, was a history. But you can also think of butterfly effect within you. The things that you do today will drastically change your future. So many factors play a part in you being here today. A delayed train, an extra cup of tea, the rain, the sun, and ultimately the nature. You see, it's hard to predict the future and it's even hard to build a home. But don't worry, Mr. Blue Hut is here to make it simple. We build your home right from planning to handover, and we even do interiors. MrBlueHut.com. Remember, your home isn't 4 walls and a solid thin roof, it's your soul. Hey there, thanks for watching. If you're new here, we have got many interesting videos on education, dark web, stock markets and much more. Check them out. And consider subscribing the channel so you will never miss out videos like this in the future. Hey guys, this has been Harsha. I'll catch you again soon for another video. Till then, stay smart. Cheers guys, have a good one.